Jan Alojzy Matejko was born June 24, 1838, died November 1, 1893, was a Polish painter, a leading 19th-century exponent of history painting, known for depicting nodal events from Polish history. His works include large-scale oil paintings such as Stańczyk, Rejtan, Union of Lublin, Astronomer Copernicus, or Conversations with God, or Battle of Grunwald. He was the author of numerous portraits, a gallery of Polish monarchs in book form, and murals in St. Mary's Basilica, Kraków. He is considered by many as the most celebrated Polish painter, and sometimes as the national painter of Poland. Matejko spent most of his life in Kraków. He enrolled at the Kraków Academy of Fine Arts at age 14, where he studied under notable artists such as Wojciech, Korneli, Stattler and the Władysław Łuszczkiewicz, and completed his first major historical painting in 1853. He gradually gained recognition, selling key paintings that settled his debts and created some of his most famous works, including Stańczyk and Skarga's Sermon. Matejko's art played a key role in promoting Polish history and national identity at a time when Poland was partitioned and lacked political autonomy. At the same time, Matejko's painting style has been criticized as old-fashioned and overly theatrical, labeled as antiquarian realism. His works often lost their nuanced historical significance when displayed abroad due to the audience's unfamiliarity with Polish history.